Special counsel Jack Smith is still upset that Judge Canon denied his confidentiality request for Marl Lego Papers witnesses Law and Crime reported that Smith's team filed a court document late Wednesday warning Canon that it would appeal if she did not rescind her earlier ruling requiring. Witness names Smith called Canon's earlier, finding a clear error that risked harass and intimidating witnesses. Smith specifically disputed Canon's earlier ruling that discovery material subject to a protective order cannot be shielded from public disclosure, absent a heightened First Amendment showing of a compelling interest, and narrow tailoring, calling it manifest injustice. To the witnesses, the court found that the government was required but failed to satisfy a heightened First Amendment burden to shield from public revelation materials under a protected order due to such procedural and substantive mistakes. Smith said whatever the court's reasoning, that determination was wrong, and the defendant's argument doesn't show otherwise. Smith asked Canon to approve his proposed redactions and sealing, and threatened to appeal if she did not. Canon set the trial for May 20, 2024, rejecting prosecutors' March 4 date and the Trump team's request for a date after the next presidential election. Her Solomonic ruling balanced the government's claim that the public interest requires a swift trial with the Trump side's claim that its complex case needs more time. The special counsel has proven that defendants' NADA and ALA's personal perusal of classified discovery information would not be relevant and useful to their defense. Canon said after months of litigation over secret materials, the decision was made. The FBI found thousands of federal records, including over 100 classified at Trump's Marl Lego home in August 2022. Judge Canon heard Trump's civil complaint to halt the inquiry in a contentious September order. Canon approved Trump's request to appoint a special master to evaluate the seized information to ensure at least the appearance of fairness. However, the 11th Circuit rejected significant aspects of her decision, allowing the Justice Department to begin its criminal probe. The investigation changed in November when Attorney General Merrick Garland hired veteran prosecutor Jack Smith, a special counsel, to supervise the papers inquiry and a separate January 6 investigation. Unlike the charges brought against defendant Trump, the document-related charges against defendants NADA and OLA do not require proof that they willfully retain documents relating to the national defense. The special counsel also stated that will not present evidence that defendants NADA and OLA acted with an inculpatory purpose specific to them, and the 102 classified marked documents discovered at Marl Lego. Canon added Smith's team indicted Trump for obstruction and mishandling classified records last month. Smith's prosecutors argued last week that the public interest in a speedy trial was just